So first we're going to show you how to change the data type of a column using the GUI. So you can see here we've created a table called inventory with these 4 columns, and the column we're going to be changing the data type of is quantity. As you can see, it has a number entered right now, and it has no decimal places. And if we come over here and we expand this and expand our columns, you can see that quantity is currently set to a variable character, which means that something besides a number can be entered in there right now, which we do not want. So in order to change the data type, first we have to come up to Tools, select Options, then we're going to select Designers, and we're going to uncheck this box if it's not already unchecked, saying Prevent Saving Changes that require table recreation. Doing this allows us to actually make the changes without having to completely recreate the table. So we'll select OK. We're going to come back to our table over here, and we're going to right click on it and go to Design. That'll bring us to this screen where you can see the different data types of our columns. So we're going to select the data type for the quantity column and hit this down arrow, and we're going to look for the integer data type. We'll just select that, and then we'll simply close out of this, and this screen will come up asking if we want to save our changes. We'll say yes. And now if we come over here and I'll refresh this, it'll show us that the quantity is now changed to an integer. And so to test if it's actually working, we're going to run a simple insert query here, and we're going to enter the value of 3 as a variable character value. And if we try to execute that, you'll see it will fail, saying that it can't be entered. And now if we change this to the number 3 like this, and we hit execute again, it will work. And if we come back here, you'll see that the new value has been entered. So this time we're going to be changing the columns data type using an SQL query. You'll see that we're using the same scenario as last time, where we have our quantity column, and it is currently set to a variable character, but we want to change it to an integer just to stop other types of data being entered, like letters or other characters. So to do this, we're going to go up here and select New Query. A new query window will open, and we're going to simply enter alter table, followed by our table's name, which is right here. So it is dbo.inventory. Then we're going to enter alter again and put column, followed by our column's name, which is quantity. And finally, we're going to put the data type that we want to change it to. In this case, it's an integer, so we're going to put int and finish it up with a semicolon. Then you just simply select execute. Command was completed successfully. We will come over here to our quantity column and hit refresh. You'll see it's now updated to an integer, and we're going to test this just like last time. We're going to come up here and put in the word 3 and hit execute, and it will fail because it is a variable character that is trying to be entered into an integer. And so we will change this to the number 3 and try it again, and it will work. If we come over here, you can see that it is completed. Thank you for watching.